In this intriguing clip, we observe a woman exhibiting unusual behavior in front of a random homeowner's house. With a paper in hand, she engages in twerking, raising questions about her state of mind and intentions. While we may speculate about possible influences or motivations, the exact details remain unknown. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. In this unsettling clip, we witness a disturbing incident as three masked individuals attempt to break into a house under the cover of darkness. Utilizing lockpicking techniques, they gain unauthorized access to the property. Fortunately, the homeowners were away during this harrowing event, ensuring their safety. In this next clip, we witness the perplexing behavior of a shirtless man who arrives at a random house early in the morning, appearing exhausted or fatigued. However, as the footage unfolds, his actions reveal a more disturbing intent. The man attempts to enter multiple homes and even peeks through windows, raising concerns about his motives. The unsettling nature of this encounter serves as a reminder to prioritize personal safety and home security measures. In this intriguing clip, we observe a man carrying a kitten as he approaches an unsuspecting homeowner's property. His actions raise numerous questions about his intentions and the peculiar timing of his visit. Why is he knocking on the door at this hour, and what is the significance of the kitten he holds? The mystery deepens as he roams around the front porch, leaving us wondering about his motive.
I'm just a nobody, trying to tell everybody about somebody who can take.
In this intriguing clip, we witness a random man approaching a house in the middle of the night and ringing the doorbell camera. His actions immediately raise suspicion as the homeowner, awakened by the disturbance, confronts him with anger and confusion.
I'm the police! And you don't stop thinking myself in the middle of the night!
In this next clip, a woman in apparent need approaches a house, seeking refuge from the cold at the middle of the night. As she sits on a chair outside, the question arises, what would you do if you were the homeowner in this situation? Would you offer her a seat and show compassion, or would you prioritize your own safety and ask her to leave? In this case, the owner knocked on the window and asked her to leave. Do you think he did the right thing? Leave your comments down below. In this riveting clip, we are reminded to stay vigilant and cautious. As we watch the footage, a man is seen desperately knocking on a door, seemingly in need of assistance at the late hour of the night. However, as the events unfold, it becomes apparent that there is more to the situation than meets the eye.
Open the front door. Open the front door. It's me. Open the front door.
Throughout the clip, it's very clear that the man is attempting to open up the front door himself. After having tried opening it several times to no avail, he slowly walks away into the darkness with his intent clearer than ever. In this chilling clip, we are confronted with a truly disturbing incident. The home security footage reveals the unsettling moment when an unidentified man trespasses onto the property, climbs over a gate, and approaches a window, all while covertly filming the homeowner inside. The homeowner's quick thinking and alertness prompt her to contact the authorities, but unfortunately, the elusive intruder manages to vanish before the police arrive. In this suspenseful clip, we witness the urgent arrival of a police officer at a house, knocking hurriedly at the door. But why is he hurriedly knocking at the front door like this? Is it a matter of emergency or a response to a reported incident?
Police!
Can I help you?
Yes, I see bullet holes all in your house.
I'm sorry?
There's bullet holes all in your house.
Thanks for joining me on this spine-tingling journey through the realm of doorbell encounters. I hope these chilling and unforgettable moments have left you with a renewed sense of caution and curiosity. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content.